model demonstration of the vessels and viscera and the muscles of the posterior abdominal wall and the bladder and the prostate. First of all, the muscles. We have the quadratus lumborum. Focus. Yeah. The quadratus lumborum, psoas major, and this region represents most probably the psoas minor, psoas minor. Yeah. Iliacus muscle, iliacus. Transversus abdominis, and the external oblique. Here we have some muscles in the pelvic viscera. We've got the rectococcygeus muscle, the rectococcygeus. Here's the opening of the rectums. Here we have the piriformis muscle. The coccygeus. Muscle. And these are the fibers of the levator ani. The tendinous arch of the levator ani muscle. Tendinous arch. Pubic symphysis. Okay, yeah, muscles are done. Now we're going to go to the vessels. The vessels of the posterior abdominal wall. So we've got Assalamu alaikum. The dorsal aorta, celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery, the testicular vessels or the ovarian vessels. Again, the testicular vessel or the ovarian vessel. The abdominal aorta dividing into the common iliac vessels. The external iliac, internal iliac. External iliac, internal iliac. The ureter, kidney. خودکشی ہونے کی renal vein, suprarenal gland. Inferior phrenic artery, and probably the recurrent branch of the esophagus, probably the inferior phrenic vein, and the suprarenal veins, the inferior suprarenal veins, probably inferior suprarenal veins, the lumbar arteries along with the corresponding veins. The segmental vessels to the kidney, which are branches of the renal artery. Probably the ascending lumbar vein. So I guess that's it about the vessels. Yeah, now about the urinary bladder. So it's actually fixed like this in the body. Now I'll study it individually. So this is the urinary bladder. The upper part, body of the bladder. Pubic, the body of the bladder, the fundus of the bladder, the neck of the bladder, which continues as the urethra. The urinary bladder in the first part of the urethra is key, na? Urethra. I just saw first part of urethra chukam da. Membranous? No, membranous नहीं. हाँ यार अब्दुल सलाम खुदे बंदा यार. Come on, कसम दे, that's the हल दे. बीखी स्टडी ने करी बीखी. ये यार बीखी स्टडी ने करी. बस simply urethra the urethra. Simply urethra. Urethra, mana simple urethra. Mana se tension gira uste. Okay. The ureters opening into the ureteric orifices, and these are the the ductus deferens. Yeah, this one, ductus deferens. The seminal vesicles, the prostate gland having apex and base. Yeah, the bladder is covered by the detrusor muscle. Video okay, now we are looking inside of the bladder. So these are the mucosal folds, detrusor muscle transverse section, prostate transverse section. Yeah, here we have got the trigone. The uvula of the bladder. Yeah, this one, the uvula of the bladder. The urethral crest. The urethral crest and the uvula of the bladder. And this region represents the seminal colliculus. Seminal colliculus having the prostatic utricle inside. Prostatic utricle, and this is the prostate. So I guess this is it. Thank you.
Kidneys, or muscles. Source muscles, minor medially or laterally, major. Pericordatus lumborum, transversus abdominis muscle, और इलियकस मसल। फिर यहाँ पे पेरिनियल, जब हमारे पास पेल्विक फ्लोर में आ जाओ वहाँ पे मसल पेरिफॉर्मस मसल, ईशो और ईशियोकॉक्सिजियस मसल और फिर लिवेटर एनाई मसल, इसके डिफरेंट पोर्शंस है। और ये है हमारे पास एनस,
एब्डोरेटस मसल,
ऑब्टूरेटर इंटरनस मसल है। और ये आर्च फॉर द टेंडन ऑफ द ऑब्टूरेटर इंटरनस। अब यहाँ पे अगर हम आर्टरीज और वेन में आ जाए, ये डोर्सल मतलब ये डोर्सल आउटा है, ये वेना केवा है, इंफीरियर वेना केवा। डोर्सल आउटा पहले आर्टीरियल ब्रांचेस, तो सिलिएक, सुपीरियर मेसेंट्रल और इंफीरियर मेसेंट्रल। फिर गोनेडल, जब फीमेल में ओवेरियन, जो राइट वाला है वो डायरेक्ट ब्रांच है, लेफ्ट वाला जो है वो मतलब इसने तो डायरेक्ट ब्रांच ही शो किया हुआ है बस। ओवेरियन आर्टरीज ये वाला और ये वाला, ये इंफीरियर मेसेंटेरिक है ना। फिर यहाँ पे हमारे पास ये है रीनल आर्टरीज, ये वाला भी है और इस साइड पे भी है। ये फिर इंफीरियर फ्रीनिक आर्टरीज, दोनों वाले इंफीरियर फ्रीनिक आर्टरीज। फिर हमारे पास वेना केवा है, तो ये फिर रीनल वेन लेफ्ट और राइट। फिर यहाँ पे हमारे पास लेफ्ट सुप्रा रीनल वेन और ये इंफीरियर फ्रीनिक वेन। फिर ये ओवेरियन वेन, ये वाला और ये वाला। फिर ये वाले जो है हमारे पास यूरिटर्स है, इसका नहीं पता। हाँ, तो फीमेल में टेस्टिकुलर होगा, फीमेल में हाँ मेल में टेस्टिकुलर होगा और फीमेल में ओवेरियन। मेल है तो ये टेस्टिकुलर, ये यूरिटर्स, बस ये
ब्लैडर कवर
या ब्लैडर है ना, इसके यूरिटर्स है। इसका बॉडी है ना, इसका नेक रीजन है, नेक रीजन है नहीं, इसका नेक रीजन नहीं है, नेक क्योंकि नीचे ओपन होता है ना, अगर हम उसको ओपन करें तो ये फिर ट्राइगोन है ये वाला। और ये फिर यूरिथ्रा ओपन होता है नीचे से। ये प्रोस्टेट है, इसके पीछे जो है हमारे पास जकुलेटरी डक्ट्स है, यूरिटर ओपन होते हैं। और ये सेमिनल वेसिकल्स है, प्रोस्टेट है। बस ये क्या चीज़ है, कुछ पता चला? ये वाले
Today we'll be presenting the gross features of the abdomen. In the abdomen, we have the interior abdominal wall, which is removed from here. So this is now the apparent things which are
Viscera.
yeah, viscera. So these are viscera. Actually, in the viscera we have on the upper. This is the liver. Okay, we have discussed the liver in the previous video.
You can see it in our
you can see
other
it in the
videos.
previous video. That is where we have discussed that. in the detail.
Now, please discuss the support of the liver.
Yeah, this one very important thing we have
That's
missed
asked
in
by
that video.
Maqbool.
Yeah, the Maqbool Jan has asked many students that what is the support? The main support of the liver is the inferior vena cava, and the ligamentum support is the secondary to it. Okay, so this was the liver. This is the stomach. Okay, after
Discussed
removing,
in the lecture.
yeah, this is just the stomach. We have discussed it already. And after stomach, we have here the spleen. So you can see here the spleen. This is the hilum of the spleen. You can see here is the abdominal aorta. The abdominal aorta enters the abdomen in the diaphragm in the right crus. So this is the right crus. Okay. This is the pancreas. And the pancreas, the one apparent structure here is the pancreatic duct. In the pancreas, we have the parts: the head, the neck. The head is not shown actually here. The head is covered by on the lateral side by the abdomen. The neck, the body, and the tail. The tail which protrudes into the hilum of the spleen. Okay.
Arteries हुआ है.
About this. Okay. This artery is the splenic artery, and the relative vein is the splenic vein. Okay. This was the pancreas. This is the duodenum. The first part of the duodenum is removed here, and this is the. Okay. This is the remnant. This is the remains of the first part. This is the second part of the duodenum. So now come here to this lower part. This is the transverse colon. This is the ascending colon. And
गलत लाड़े के ना.
तो
small intestine तरह सा. नहीं मैं stick था कवा.
Okay, so this is the small intestine actually. I'm discussing the large intestine. तो उधर यार उधर वहाँ
Comment. Why this one?
This is the transverse colon. This is the ascending colon. This is the small intestine. The small intestine, this is jejunum plus ileum. Actually, this is not differentiated into two parts. This is the ileocecal junction. In the ileocecal junction, the superior surface of this part has been removed. So this is the orifice of the ileocecal junction. and this orifice, and these lips are called the ileocecal lips. These are the bands which are attached on the cecum, on the mucosum cecum. This is called frenulum. Okay, this opening is the orifice into the vermiform appendix. Okay.
It's also called the orifice of the ileocecal
orifice.
junction.
No, this is not the ileocecal junction. This is the ileocecal orifice. Okay, so this whole part is called ileocecal junction. Yeah, this whole part is called the ileocecal junction, but this is the ileocecal orifice. Okay, and this is the orifice of the vermiform appendix, and the appendix has been gone into the posterior and the inferior side.
Sure.
This is this is the greater omentum, which protrudes out from the the stomach on the greater curvature. Okay, now come to the posterior side. On posterior side, we have the second part of the duodenum, and this is the third part of the duodenum. This is the spleen. In the spleen, we have this artery, which is the splenic.
This is the spleen, not this is the pancreas.
Sorry, this is the pancreas. This artery comes from the spleen, and this joins the which vein is this?
Inferior mesenteric.
Yeah, inferior mesenteric vein. Okay, and here we have the vestral peritoneal covering.
Mesentery of the small intestine.
Yeah, this is the mesentery of the small intestine. I think so. But why it's shown on the posterior side?
Mesentery of the small intestine is on the posterior side.
Yeah, this is mesentery of the intestine. Okay, this is mesentery of the small intestine. And the spleen. It's called the splenic vein. The splenic vein goes on the posterior side, and it combines with the inferior mesenteric vein. Okay, this is the mesentery of the small intestine. This is the vermiform appendix, which goes on the posterior and the inferior side. Actually, okay. Yeah, this was the greater omentum. This is the descending colon, and the descending colon. After that, we have the sigmoid colon. The sigmoid colon, which ends into the rectum. Okay, so this was on the posterior side. Now come to the gross features on the posterior abdominal wall. We have kidneys here. Above the kidneys, the suprarenal glands. Okay, here comes the inferior vena cava, the abdominal aorta. The abdominal aorta, here are three arteries, which are
unpaired.
Three unpaired arteries which goes out from the abdominal aorta are the celiac trunk, the superior mesenteric artery, and the inferior mesenteric artery. This is the renal artery. The renal arteries goes and then divides into three branches, three unpaired branches into the kidney. Okay, so this after this is the suprarenal vein, which comes from the suprarenal gland. Okay, now come to this vein, this artery. This is the median sacral artery,
Which has been in the last OSPE.
Yeah, this is very frequently asked in the OSPEs. This is the
And what's
uterus.
about there?
Huh? Okay, you should know about this muscle. This is the psoas muscle, and we have two components of the psoas muscle: psoas minor and psoas major. Okay, this is the the abdominal aorta divides into two arteries. The common iliac arteries, which goes on the both, which comes to the respective side. The common iliac artery then divides into two branches: the external iliac artery and the internal iliac artery. The internal iliac arteries goes inward. Okay. Internal iliac artery goes inward, and this is the internal iliac artery. Okay, this is the external iliac artery, which continues.
This one is the external iliac, this internal iliac, and this is the external.
This is the external iliac. Okay, this is the ureter. And also have the respective veins, which is the the common iliac vein. And in the gross we have the continuation of the rectum. So this was the continuation of the rectum. On this inferior cavity we have the pelvic cavity, and we will be discussing this cavity in the next lecture.
Psoas muscle, iliacus muscle, quadratus lumborum, transversus abdominis, the diaphragm the crura of diaphragm the superior mesenteric celiac trunk superior mesenteric inferior mesenteric the inferior phrenic vessels the kidney suprarenal glands renal vein renal arteries the sacral vessel lumbar that's the common iliac artery, the external iliac artery, internal iliac artery, external iliac vein, internal iliac vein. دا چې دا هغه دی لیویټر انای مسل دي درې مسل دي صحیح شو کوم لیویټر انای مسل سره دا چې دا پریفارمس دی دا انټیریر سیکرل فورامین دی او دا چې دا ریکټم شو او دا چې کوم را روان دي کوم دا یوریټر دی دا چې دا ټیسټیکولر دی testicular vessels دا چې کوم د کوم دا هغه یورین بلیډر دا هغه یوریټرز دي دا دوه یوریټر دي صحیح شو دا چې دا واز ډیفرنس دا سیمنل ویزیکلز دي کامن ایجاکولیټری ډکټ پروسټیټ ګلینډ او پروسټیټیک یورترا
دا کامن ایجاکولیټری ډکټ کوم دی
چې کوم دا ختم شي او دا د نکیږي هغه ته سیمنل ویزیکل چرته ملاو شي هغه نه بعد کوم هغه شروع کیږي هغه ته وایي کامن ایجاکولیټری ډکټ وایي پروسټیټ ګلینډ او پروسټیټیک یورترا او دا چې کوم دا یوریکس یا میډین امبلایکل لیګامنټ او دا چې دا میډین امبلایکس لیګامنټ یا یوریکس دا د ټروزر مسل دی دا چې دا ټرایګون دی دا هغه یورترا دی باقي وګړي څه نشته